Hello students, in 10th Maths Chapter 1 Relation and Function, today I will explain the next heading of function. Function is nothing but a mapping or transformation. The definition of function is a relation f from x to y is said to be a function if for every element in set X there exists unique element in set Y. Here you need to know two things, that is every element in set X, that means all the element in first set associated with unique element, that is only one element in second set Y. In mathematical wise, F equal to set of all relation ordered pair x comma y such that for all x belongs to set X and y belongs to set Y. For example, let us consider two set X and Y. Set X equal to 1, 2, 3 and set Y equal to 4, 5, 6. The relation ordered pair F is 1 related to 4, 2 related to 5 and 3 related to 4. Okay, now you observe this arrow diagram is a function or not. See, from the definition, every element in set X, that is all the element in set X, that is first set, associated with the unique element in set Y. See, 1 associated with 4 and 2 associated with 5 and 3 associated with 4. See, all the element in set X, that is 1, 2, 3 associated with only one element in set Y. So hence it is a function. So for every element in set X there exists only one element in set Y. Therefore F from X to Y is a function. See the next example, set X 1, 2, 3 and set Y 4, 5, 6. Relation ordered pair F, 1 related to 5, 2 related to 4, 3 related to 6. See, here also 1 related to or associated with 5, then 2 associated with 4, 3 associated with 6. See, every element in set X associated with only one element of set Y. So, for every element in set X, there exists only one element in set Y. Therefore, F from X to Y is a function. Next, I will explain few more examples which is not a functions. See, let us consider two non-empty set. Set A 1, 2, 3, set B 4, 5, 6. In relation ordered pair, 1 related to 4, 2 related to 4 and 2 related to 6 also, 3 related to 5. So see here, 1 associated with 4 and 2 associated with 4, 6 and 3 associated with 5. Observe this. Here the element 2 has associated with two elements in set B. So, for the element 2 in set A, there exists two elements 4 and 6 in set B. Therefore, R from A to B is not a function. Last example, let A has 1, 2, 3 and set B has 4, 5, 6. Relation ordered pair R is 1 related to 5, 2 related to 4. See, in this question 1 associated with 5, 2 associated with 4, but 3 does not associated with any element of set B. From this, what you observe? 3 has no element in set B. So, for the element 3 in set A, there is no element in set B. Therefore, R from A to B is not a function. Okay, students, now you get a clear idea about function. So, next we will see domain, codomain, image, pre-image and range of a function. For better understanding, I will explain this definition with an example. Let us consider two non-empty set X and Y. X has A, B, C, D and Y set Y has 4, 5, 6, 7. The relation ordered pair F. Now you observe all the element in set X, A associated with 6, B associated with 4, C associated with 7 and D associated with 6. So, for every element in set X, there exists only one element in set Y. Therefore, f from X to Y is a function. From this, we get conclude f is a function from X to Y, then set X is called domain and set B is called codomain, which means this relation has a function means first set X elements are called domain and next set Y element are called codomain. This is domain and the second set Y are called codomain. From this, domain of F, domain of relation F equal to A, B, C, D, that is first set all the element. Then codomain of relation F equal to second set Y all the element 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, next point, if f is a function from X to Y, then f of A equal to B. Here B is called a image of under F and A is called pre-image of B. See, f of A equal to B, that is in relation ordered pair first coordinate A, then next coordinate Y is B, which means B is image of A and A is pre-image of B. For example, see, image of A is 6, image of B is 4, image of C is 7 and image of D is 6. Okay, next we see the pre-image. Pre-image of 4 is B. Pre-image of 6 is A and D. Pre-image of 7 is C. Okay, last point. The set of all images of set X is called a range. Set of all images of X. Set of all images of X is called a range. So, from the above example, range of F equal to 4, 6, 7. Finally, if A and B are finite set such that n of A equal to P, n of B equal to Q, then the total number of function that exists between set A and set B is Q power P, which means set A and set B have countable elements. Then the cardinal number of first set equal to P, second set B equal to Q, then the total number of function is Q power P. Cardinal number of second set, power of cardinal number of first set, that is Q power P. Next we move on to the first example. Let X equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and Y equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and R equal to 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8. Show that R is a function and find its domain, codomain and range. See, in this question, two non-empty set X and Y are given. Then function, relation, ordered pair are also given. So, we check whether this relation is a function or not. It is function, then we have to find out domain, codomain and range. Okay, first you take down and write the given solution. Set X equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Set Y equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and write down the relation ordered pair. Arrow diagram of R is 1 related to 2 and 2 related to 4, then 3 related to 6, then 4 related to 8. From this diagram, what you observe? See here, 1 associated with 2, 2 associated with 4, 3 associated with 6, 4 associated with 8. That is, every element of first set X associated with only one element of second set Y. So, then means this relation R is a function. Okay, now you write down the reason. For every element in set X, there exists only one element in set Y. Therefore, R from X to Y is a function. From this, we prove this relation R is a function. So, next we write the domain of R. What is domain in a function? all the elements, set of all the element in first set is called a domain. Set of all the element in second set is called a codomain. So therefore you write domain of R, domain of R equal to first set X element, take down and write, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then codomain of R, second set Y element, take down and write, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then range of R, range of R. See this arrow diagram. Range, what is the definition of the range? All the images are called range. See, the element 1 has image 2, 2 has a image 4, the image of 3 is 6, 4 is 8. So all the images are called range. All the images alone take down and write. Okay. Then range of R equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Now we move on to the next example 1.7, previous sum, example 1.6. In this sum, a relation f is defined by f of x equal to x square minus 2 where x belongs to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3. Here you have to find, list the element of f. Is f a function? See, in this question, function condition, that is relation ordered per condition f of x equal to x square minus 2 and x set belongs to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3. From using this condition, first you find out relation ordered pair. So this relation ordered pair is called the list of element of f. Then next we have to find out f is a function or not. Solution. First you take down and write the given. F of x equal to x square minus 2 where x belongs to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3. Okay. So by using this condition, you have to find out relation ordered pair of f. See, each x belongs to x. So first element of x, f of minus 2 equal to minus 2 the whole square minus 2. It is 4 minus 2 equal to 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Then the ordered pair minus 2 comma 2. Then f of next element f of minus 1, that is minus 1 the whole squared minus 2 equal to minus 1 the whole squared 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1, then the ordered pair minus 1 comma minus 1. Then f of 0 equal to 0 square minus 2 equal minus 2, then the ordered pair 0 comma minus 2. F of 3 equal to 3 square minus 2, then 9 minus 2 equals 7, then the ordered pair 3 comma 7. Now you take down and write the element of f. This ordered pair is called the element of f. The element of f equal to minus 2 comma 2 minus 1 comma minus 1 0 comma minus 2 3 comma 7. The element of f equal to minus 2 comma 2 minus 1 comma minus 1 0 comma minus 2 3 comma 7. From this you observe minus 2 associated with 2, then minus 1 associated with minus 1, 0 associated with minus 2, 3 associated with 7. See, first element all belongs to set X. So every element in domain has a unique image. Therefore, it is a function. To write the reason, for every domain of f has a unique image. Hence, f is a function. This is the answer for the second example sum. Now, we moving to the next example, example 1.8. If x equal to minus 5, 1, 3, 4 and y equal to ABC, then which of the following relations are function from x to y? See, in this question, two non-empty sets are there, x and y. We have to check whether the given relations are function from x to y. Solution, set x and set y is a given non-empty set. So now you make a arrow diagram of R1, x, y. So in the first you write the x element minus 5, 1, 3, 4. Next set you write the y element A, B, C. Now relate this element by using the given ordered pair R1 minus 5 comma A. Minus 5 related to A. Then 1 comma A. 1 related to A. Then 3 comma B. That is 3 related to B. That's all. 3 relation ordered pairs are given. So, we related to 3 ordered pair. For the element 4 in x does not have an element in y, therefore R1 is not a function from x to y. Now we moving to the next subdivision R2, minus 5 comma b, 1 comma b, 3 comma a and 4 comma c. The arrow diagram of R2 is minus 5, 1, 3, 4, A, B, C. Now the relations are minus 5 related to B, 1 also related to B, 3 related to A and 4 related to C. Relation of R2. See, from this arrow diagram, what you observe? Minus 5 associated with B, 1 associated with B, 3 associated with A, 4 associated with C. See, all the element of set X associated with only one element of set Y. So then means it is a function. For reason, for every element in X has only one element in Y. Therefore, R2 is a function from X to Y. Now we move on to the last subdivision R3. Represent this relation in an arrow diagram. See, -5 related to A, then 1 related to A, and 3 related to B, 4 related to C, again 1 related to B. From this we get -5 associated with A, only one element A, 1 associated with 2 element A, B, 3 associated with only one element B, 4 associated with only one element C. See, here 1 has 2 elements or 2 images. The element 1 in set X has 2 images in set Y. Hence, it is not a function, because in a function definition, every element has a unique image, but here have more than one image. So, it is not a function. So, you write in reason, for the element 1 in set X has 2 images in set Y. For the element 1 in set X has 2 images in set Y. Otherwise, you write for the element 1 in set X, there exists 2 elements in set Y. Therefore, R3 is not a function from X to Y. Now you get a clear idea about which is function and which is not a function. Actually, it is very easy to little bit of practice. Today homework, exercise 1.3, first sum and second sum. Okay students, keep practice and keep on practice at home. Thank you.